Now, part 2. We'll again have the elbows bent, the upper arms are near the wrist. This time the forearms are pointing upward. We have the thumbs away from the hands because we're going to lead the movement with the thumbs, back and forth. The thumbs are leading the movement. Total power of the movement is coming from the thumbs. The thumbs are solid, the fingers are firm. You're going to move the hands with a heavy jerk back and forth. Move as hard and fast as you can. Look at the tip of the nose and breathe long, slow, and deep. We're here for 3 minutes. We're about 1.5 minutes into it. Make the breath long, slow, and deep. Keep the eyes at the tip of the nose and really jerk the hands with the thumbs leading the way. I'm primarily right-handed, and so my left hand is very challenging for me to move it in a very conscious way. So it's just sort of flopping around a little bit, but I'm very aware of it, and I'm activating my awareness to control the left hand and move it with a rhythm and a smoothness. There it goes. Now we're 1 more minute in. So move as fast as you can. If you happen to notice that this is painful, it means you're probably deficient in minerals. So make a note of that. Use your thumbs. Move as quick and as challenging as you can. Back and forth. Something is happening with me. I'm really having a tough time moving. And this is very normal. That means something is shifting in my physical health and my mental clarity. So I'm going to keep going. Okay. It's a reset moment. When you have those sort of spasms happen, it's very normal. Okay, inhale deep. Hold the breath, tighten everything as much as you can, all the muscles of the body, and move the hands as fast as you can while you're holding and tightening. Exhale. Again, inhale. Tighten. And exhale. And last time, inhale. Hold and tighten and move. And exhale. Good.